Hey guys, I'm Phil Town from Rule Investing, and today we are celebrating a huge milestone, really big one, for our YouTube channel, 400,000 subscribers. I got to tell you guys, I cannot believe how quickly this channel has been growing over the past few years. And to celebrate, we're going to host a giveaway, and I'll share those details in just a minute, so just keep watching. The past 6 years on this channel, what can I say, man? 6 years. It's been an absolute blast. And I've really enjoyed sharing this kind of Rule 1 style investing strategies with all of you guys everywhere around the world, because it's allowed so many small investors like us to take control of our financial futures, which is just amazing. And this last year, whew, what a ride, right? For all of us on the Rule 1 team. We took our 3-day investing workshop that we typically host in Atlanta, Georgia. We went online with this thing with a virtual version, which is amazing. And the feedback from it has been just phenomenal. I think we've been teaching better there than we were able to do live. We got much more intimate teaching, which is really cool to be able to figure out how to do that. In fact, if you're following me here on YouTube, but you haven't had the chance to join us for the 3-day event, I got to tell you, I really strongly recommend you click the link in the description to find out more. Because the topics I'm covering here on YouTube, these things are just scratching the surface of what great investing is all about. If you really want to dive deep and you really want to learn this stuff, you got to check out the virtual workshop. That's just where you got to go. This is where I and my expert coaches, and these are expert coaches. These are people who all sat in the same seats as you guys, have all been students of mine, and then went on to really get good at this and become good investors. So they're experts at this, and would take you through the process of properly evaluating a business, because we buy businesses, not just little shares of stock. And we're going to arm you guys during those 3 days with the knowledge and the tools to make the best investment decisions for you and your family, which is what this is all about. And just like last time, you guys, when we hit a milestone, I'm celebrating this growing community with a big giveaway. I want to show all of you my appreciation. So this giveaway is exclusively for you, my YouTube subscribers. I'll be giving away 3 special prizes. So you guys ready to hear what they are? Here we go. The 3rd place winner will receive a $100 Amazon e-gift card. Our 2nd place winner will receive a $250 Amazon gift card. And our 1st place winner, you are going to receive a grand prize of not only a $250 Amazon gift card, but also a free virtual workshop ticket. This is really cool, you guys. I hope you understand that when we were doing this workshop live all around the world, we charged $4,000 for this workshop. So that workshop that we host that I mentioned earlier, you get to go for free. I'm also going to throw in 6 months access to the best set of tools in the world. We call it my toolbox, which you can use to help evaluate future potential companies to invest in. This is one of the best time-saving tools in the world. It's what I built for myself, saves me a lot of time doing the research, and really directs me to what we're looking for, the kind of company we want, which is wonderful and on sale. And this is a really powerful tool that we built, and we only give access typically to our students who come to our workshop. So we're going to give you 6 months for free of this thing. Now, to enter the giveaway, here's what you got to do. This is going to get you a chance at these amazing prizes. So here we go. Simply click the link in the description of this video, which will tell you how you can enter, okay? We'll also be running this giveaway for only the next 2 weeks. So make sure to read the contest details and enter before it's too late. I want to thank you guys for your continued support, and I will see you right here on Friday for my next video. So now it's time, go play. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. Just click the button on the screen to sign up for the giveaway today. And also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, definitely do so now. Thanks again for watching, everybody.